Let's split up, gang!
Yeah!
Here comes the gloppy green ghost. The ghost that we all hate the most. He's sloppy, he's gloppy, he's green. Besides all that, he's mean. Don't you run around in a bunch. The whole gang up for lunch. We're just telling the facts. His claws are sharper than jacks. The rowdy's coming for ya. The rowdy's waiting for ya. He's sloppy, he's sloppy, he's green. Besides all that, he's He's got his eye on you. You can't run away from a one eye. He's got his eye on you. Don't try to hide from a one eye. There's nothing that he can't see. Oh, you hide here, he hides there. Here you hide, there he hides, everywhere you hide. You can run, you can hide. Just don't look in his eye. He's got his eye on you. He's got his eye on you. You can't run away from a one eye. He's got his eye on you. Don't try to hide from a one eye. There's nothing that he can't see. Oh, you hide here, he hides there. Here you hide, there he hides, everywhere you hide, he's there. He's got his eye on you. One eye. Can't get away from a one eye. He's got his eye on you. Oh, you hide here, he hides there. Here you hide, there he hides, everywhere you hide, he's there. He's got his eye on you. He's got his eye on you. He's got his eye on you. You can run, you can hide. Just don't look in his eye. He's got his eye on you. Dr. Croker, who's that bobbing down the street? Dr. Croker, looking for someone to eat. Dr. Croker, who's that hiding round the bend? Dr. Croker, it's your fiendish froggy friend. Dr. Croker, he's a monster, wait and see. He's the toughest toad in history. Dr. Croker.
I say, can't you do that outside? We're trying to do a movie here.
Sorry.
Late at night when there's no one else around, he oozes up with a slurp and a bowling sound. Lock the door and throw in a key. 'Cause he's coming for you and me. He's the coolest guy you'll ever see. Big and orange and really mean. Mozzarella, nasty fella. Here comes the monster, go shout. He's out, there he goes. He's slurping down to get ya. Go hide when you hear that gurgling sound. Make sure you just not turn around. Lock the door and throw in a key. He keeps looking for you and me. Mozzarella, nasty fella. Here comes the monster, go shout. He's out, there he goes. He's slurping down the get ya. Monster!
They seem to know where you're running. They always know where you hide. You better look out when they're coming. They might just take you for a ride. They got your number. You just can't escape those bad guys. Bad guys. They might be hiding in the basement. They might be waiting in the gloom. You may not want to hear this statement. Oh no! But if they catch you, that spells doom. They've got your number. You just can't escape those bad guys. They've got your number. You just can't escape those bad guys. Bad guys. Bad guys. Bad guys. They've got your number. You just can't escape those bad guys.
The coast is clear, Shug. Zoinks!
Bad guys.
Like it's time for the chase. Start the music, Scoob.
Now he's got you running like you seen a ghost. Here it comes, terrible and ugly, scarier than most. Here it comes, there's no time to lose. He's hot on your trail, he's moving your shoes. Hope your feet don't fail. Running, 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 running like you seen a ghost. he's a crew. He's not a nice man. His touch will turn you
Oh, guess again, dude!
And the skateboard dude is gonna get ya. He's bad, so bad. Here he comes again. From the surf and sand. With his monster head sitting in his hand. He's so bad and rad. With an attitude. Here he comes again. And the skateboard dude.
Gee, I wonder where this tunnel goes to.
Let's find out.
From the depths of the ocean blue comes a tale of a haunted crew. They had a captain with the name of Boo. Boo Beard was his name. Boo Beard. Come in.
Look! You'd think we would find plans to a restaurant, not an office building.
Wow! I bet you could make $1 million with a building like this.
Actually, 3.6 million. Ah!
He's an old salt from the briny sea. A pirate from beyond, just take it from me. Where he's at, you don't wanna be. Boo Beard is his name. Boo Beard. Come in. Boo Beard is his name. Boo Beard is his name. Boo Beard.
Get off my head!
Don't go where the buffalo roam. That's where he calls his home. He's a wooden weirdo with an axe to grind. A scarier guy you'll never find. Painted faces, loud battle cries. Here he comes. He's got 6 eyes. Twist to the left, twist to the right. Don't catch him on a spooky night. Run and hide, get on the fly. He's a totally totem pole guy. He's a totally totem pole guy. Twist to the left, twist to the right. Don't catch him on a spooky night. Run and hide, get on the fly. He's a totally totem pole guy. He's a totem pole, totally a totem pole.
Like I think it's time for the chase.
Time for the chase. Start the music.
He's a vampire of vanilla, the monster of moose. Got a temper like a gorilla that's on the loose. Ghoulie, goulash will be your chef tonight. He'll make you into a stew if you don't treat him right. Treat him right. Ghoulie, goulash will bake you a souffle with bat wings and nasty things if you don't get away. Ghoulie, goulash will bake you a souffle with bat wings and nasty things if you don't get away. Ghoulie, goulash!
Hold it! Like we need some music, Scoob.
Yeah, music.
spooky.
What's that growing in the street? Something you don't wanna meet. Looks like that weed's got 2 feet. You better run, it's his time to eat. Stinkweed, oh stinkweed. Where'd you get that gnarly smell? You're a bad seed, we can tell. Hey, stinkweed.
Stop! Okay.
He's a kooky bale of hay with a nasty, raspy way. He just likes to scare all day. Better run, make a getaway. Stinkweed, oh stinkweed. Where'd you get that gnarly smell? You're a bad seed, we can tell. Hey, stinkweed. Hey, stinkweed.
It looks like it's time to romp and roll. Like start the music, Scoob.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
From the gloom, with a gleam in his eye, through the mist looms the ghost of the dog catcher guy. He's got cold, clammy claws just to reach out and get anyone who comes near to his grim ghostly net. Dog catcher guy. Dog catcher guy. Poodle, beagle, or Pekingese, doesn't matter what it is. He's on the prowl with a scowl on his face. If he comes to your door, you'll be gone with no trace. Dog catcher guy.
Like it's a good thing you brought your dog whistle, Wilma.
Yeah, what the?